Good afternoon, everyone. It's great to be in Frankfurt again. I've often come to Frankfurt in the past to explain how we plan to strengthen our brand in Europe for the future. Now, I'm happy to talk about how those plans are paying dividend today. Powered by the all-new CR-V and Civic, our sales growth in Europe is outpacing all other major automakers this year. These two models have a clear focus on the Honda brand values of innovation, environmental responsibility, safety, and fun to drive. We are also pleased that sales of the Civic Hybrid are currently 3 times the level of a year ago. All the Geneva Motor Show, I announced a sales plan for Europe of 350,000 units. However, we have now increased our 2007 sales plan to 370,000 units. That will represent a 20% increase over last year. To support this plan, our UK plant is on track to reach its full rate of annual production capacity, totaling 250,000 units by the end of this year, with additional employment of 800 associates. And our plant in Turkey will soon increase our capacity to 50,000 units, for a total capacity of 300,000 units in Europe. There are several reasons for our success, but I believe a major factor is that our customers realize that Honda has always approached the environmental challenge with a positive can-do spirit. More than 3 decades ago, Honda launched a clean-burning, fuel-efficient engines that made history by meeting the world's toughest emission standards. We have continued to build on this leadership as the first company to launch a petrol-electric hybrid automobile in Europe back in 1999. And we will strengthen our hybrid model lineup with the introduction of an affordable, all-new dedicated hybrid model in 2009. We also have continued to advance our leading fuel cell technology. I was happy to hear that the FCX concept proved its advanced driving feel to a number of European journalists in Sweden in June. Honda plans to begin sales of our next-generation fuel cell vehicles based on this FCX concept model in 2008, beginning with the US market. Of course, another key environmental technology is clean diesel. Today, we are announcing that the name of Honda's innovative new diesel technology will be iD-Tech. This new diesel engine series will offer a higher level of power and torque, yet with superior fuel efficiency and quiet operation. Today, to help demonstrate our continued progress, we have 2 iD-Tech engines on display. One engine is capable of complying with the proposed Euro 5 exhaust standard. This version of the iD-Tech will be introduced in 2008 on the all-new Accord series for Europe prior to the enforcement of the regulation. The other iD-Tech engine complies with the US EPA Tier 2 V5 emission standards through a unique NOx reducing catalytic converter. it does not require a tank of urea on board the vehicle to meet the regulation, allowing for a more compact solution to detoxify nitrogen oxide. With this catalytic converter, the iDTEC engine series is capable of exceeding the proposed Euro 6 regulation. And we will consider introducing the engine with a catalytic converter in Europe in addition to the US and Japan. Now, our primary focus today at the show is the Accord Tourer concept. The Accord is one of Honda's core global models. It's currently sold in more than 160 countries, with cumulative global sales of almost 16 million units since its launch in 1976. For the all-new next-generation Accord for Europe, we have focused on two key areas: more emotional design and performance, and more intelligent environmental and safety technologies. Just as one example, the diesel version of the new Accord will feature the iDTEC engine I just described. This should make it one of the first models to meet the new Euro 5 regulation. Both the all-new Accord and Accord Tourer estate car will go on sale in the first half of 2008. And today, we provide you with a first look at the design of the Accord Tourer concept. This is the design direction of the new model. And we will show you the production version of both the Accord Tourer and the emotional new sedan model in Geneva in 2008. Honda is already reaching a record number of new customers. We believe the new Accord lineup will continue our strong momentum in Europe. Thank you for joining Honda, and enjoy your day at the show. Thank you.